Hi! In front of me is Vivo Y52 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Cloner on this device. Firstly, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll down and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then choose App Clone over here and click on this word next to one of your available apps that you want to clone. In my case, it's Facebook only, so I will click on this word next to it and wait. Now when I go back, I can see that Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!